This video is to show you how to add a mechanism editor from the model editor. If you look at the name tabs, we can see that there is one name tab labeled model, which indicates that we are in fact in the model editor, so that means we're good to go. When you want to add a new mechanism editor from the model editor, you will see that you can only select a plane. So let's first spin the view so that we can see all of the planes. There are different ways to spin the model, which are detailed in another video. Here we will use the view toolbar and the spin view command icon. With the spin icon selected, we drag in the graphics area. Okay, now we can see all of the planes. We can start the add mechanism command. There are different ways to start the add mechanism command. Here we will select add mechanism in the model elements toolbar. With the add mechanism command selected, we can see in the command manager that we must select a plane. We can select a plane in the graphics area or in the assembly tree. After you select a plane, but then you decide you want to select a different plane, you need to first clear the plane that you have selected from the selection box in the command manager. I find the easiest way to clear the selection from the selection box is to actually click inside the selection box itself. Finally, when you have selected the plane you want, click the OK icon or the tick icon in the command manager. You jump immediately to the new mechanism editor, which you can identify by the new name tab and the rectangular part outline of the base part.